Feels like poo.
Oh, dude, what is that? It's wet. Woo!
Welcome back, YouTube.
First timers baby edition.
Yes. So we're actually gonna be doing a quick unboxing video for a Diaper Genie.
Diaper Genie.
Yeah. So when Hiro takes a poop by accident in his pants when we're mountain biking, this is actually a good way to lock in the smell, so you don't have to smell it.
But I know he's concerned because he's always behind me.
Yeah.
At least I'm not pooping myself.
Oh, no. Anyway, guys, we just kind of wanted to showcase. Apparently, this is supposed to be one of the best things to buy for a baby to hide the smell.
Really? You're not supposed to just bask in it?
No. So apparently, it's supposed to be really good. We're gonna set it up right here, right by the changing table, which it should be able to fit right here. It looks pretty good. I'll have Hiro unbox that one for you guys, and I will do the one right down here. So,
Guess we don't need a knife. You got something sharp?
something sharp, never. Got keys.
Yeah, all my keys on me.
It's fine.
Unprepared.
Oh, there you go. Again,
Oh, that's perfect.
from our great buddies of Amazon here. Getting this delivered out to us in a timely manner. Diaper Genie. So, ultimate lock door system, built-in odor controlling, antibacterial, oh, it's a different language. We'll go there. Double airtight clamps help seal in odors.
Odors?
Odors.
I don't know different language.
Oh, here.
Yes.
Abrazaderas, double airtight ayudan, ayudan
To help.
to help. Hey, he knows Spanish. Foot pedal for hands-free use. So pretty much germs. This is supposed to be the #1 selling diaper pail brand. So we'll see what this is.
Here's one of those.
What is this?
That's the odor locking thing.
Oh, well okay, so I see it's in here. Okay. You can kind of see it there, guys. That's pretty interesting. Onto those.
Did you show it? Genie diaper odor lock.
So this is what you're supposed to use.
It looks like a wax ring for a toilet bowl.
Yeah, there you go.
Yum!
So I don't know does it say how many per thing?
270 diaper.
That's 270. Oh, here we go. I got another ring.
Oh, cool! It came with one.
Okay, that's cool. So if you didn't need to buy, we technically didn't need to get
That's the extra
right now. Okay.
Want to keep this in the box? Probably not.
We'll just hold it there. Let's put that for now. Alright, so okay. Boom. Oh.
Raphael would leave this on there.
Poor Raphael. I love it down.
Dan, what's wrong with you? Hello?
There's nothing wrong.
Why?
It's like it's not gonna do anything.
There you go.
Alright, so. Oh, look at that. So, as this actually pushes down, it opens, which opens the center portion.
There's stuff in it.
Yeah, there's stuff in it. Okay, how do we get to it?
Looks like this part comes
Oh,
off.
here we go. Oh, we got some ads here. Yeah, read the instructions. I don't know what the hell this is.
I don't think you need instructions.
What is this?
I don't know, but it probably says do not eat on it.
Playtex. Playtex Diaper Genie.
Moisture control.
Okay.
Okay.
Free.
That's Spanish.
So they got the twist resistant, carefree, anti-fresh. Okay.
No assembly required.
No assembly required. That's why it's an unboxing video.
Pail is ready to use after removing tape adhesive, which we just did from the top.
It's ready to go. We don't
And
even
then follow these steps.
So there are instructions.
Okay, so you gotta get one of those, yep. Where's step one? I guess this is step one. It's not that clear, but open. Make sure that the Diaper Genie refill is right side up.
Like that.
Does it say right side up?
Yeah, this end up.
Oh, there you go. Good. So just show them that side is up.
Then end up.
Okay. Press down on the foot pedal. Place the refill into the pail and press down slightly to secure it in place. Release the foot pedal.
Right where?
That's it. Just put it down. And then let it
Oh,
go.
what about the bag?
Didn't say anything about the bag yet. Let's see. Press the button F to open the canister. Is that F? No, F is...
It's ICC.
The
Oh,
heck?
F.
Press button F. F somewhere.
I'm just assuming it's the door that we had open.
Okay, and that thing opens up. Grab the knotted film from the closed clamps and pull it to the bottom of the pail.
The knotted way.
Knotted film, that might be the... Pop that open real quick. That might be this, and then you think you pull it down? Here, hold on. Let me just read it real quick. Because look, J
Here it is, yes. There's actually instructions on here too. That make sure that we don't forget. So we have to peel the top off, which is this piece.
It does not say that here.
Number 2, it says recharge, tie a knot, and pull down.
Those instructions are more precise than this. This one, I guess, is like overall. That one's more specific.
So I got the instructions there. All right. So 2 guys trying to do a diaper genie.
For the first time.
So they said this goes in firmly.
That doesn't matter if it has to be in the front or not.
I don't think so. Okay.
There you go. The other instructions were more precise. Here, I'll get the other thing. You have to pull that back up. Here.
Oh, before we put it in, a lot easier.
Yeah, this one just says make sure that the Diaper Genie refill is right side up. And pull the plastic tab.
Okay, so that's good. So we're actually gonna tie a knot here first. Make sure it's a good knot. We don't want anything leaking out here. Okay, so I still don't know how this works.
So press down on the foot pedal, place the refill into the pail, and press down slightly to secure it in place. You just did that. And then press the button F to open the canister, which you just did. See, grab the knotted film from the closed clamps and pull it down to the bottom, like this in the picture.
Just pull it towards the bottom.
Yeah.
At the bottom. And we're done.
Pull a little extra film to prevent stress on the clamp for optimal functionality. That means when your baby takes a big crap, just make sure it doesn't tear the bag. Looks good. So that's it.
That's it.
That's it. So how to use: press on the foot pedal, open the system, drop in rolled dirty diaper, stinky dirty diaper, release the foot pedal, and close. It says if the lid does not open, that's usually a sign that it's full of beep.
Okay. I can see that. So as it fills up, so this closes. So I'm assuming when it's ready, you just cut it.
No, so how to empty. Press button F to open the canister. Reach in to grasp the film above the diapers. So the knot's on the bottom, right? So you grab the top. So open.
Yep. So when we're done.
So this thing is all full,
Yeah.
and you grab from right there. and pull gently upward to cut the film. So gather the film into the cutter. There's a cutter up there or something.
That's what it looked like. I thought this was a cutter. Yeah, it's a cutter.
Okay.
Okay, so there's a cutter right here, guys. So I can literally just and cut it. I
Pull
won't
gently,
waste it, yeah.
pull gently upwards to cut the film and tie a knot at the top. Throw away bag
Yeah, so that's easy.
and knot the film where it's cut. The next one, and to start the
Yeah, and then knot it again.
Mhm. Same thing. Pull it down so no extra
Oh.
stress.
Okay, let's see.
Done deal.
What do we got to test in here? Okay, well, Blackhawk, this is the diaper. Boom. The diaper goes in. Close. And that's it. And then now the diaper's at the bottom. And cool, there it is. Now, how do we get that up?
How to get what out? Yeah.
I can't fit my hand in there.
Maybe I can. Oh. Okay, I gotta check.
Feels like feels like poo.
Oh, dude, what is that? It's wet.
Alright guys, so I just tested it out for you. Opens, works, closes. Blop, boop, blop, boop.
Cool, dude.
Actually, we did it, guys. Diaper Genie's there. Bloop. Changing baby right here. Clothes, when the clothes get bad here. When we want to go do laundry, we got the laundry here. So yeah, I think we're ready. I think that is it. So
As ready as can be, right?
yeah. So it's in there, it looks good. I'm excited. Hiro's excited.
I'm excited.
I still don't know what this thing is. Oh wait, actually does this slide into that?
Didn't say anything about that. I doubt it. I think this is could be something here. Let me see.
Actually, before I get too excited, guys,
It really didn't say anything about that.
we don't know what this is. Still don't know what it is.
Oh, D. D is the lid. Okay. I is carbon filter holder. Yep, that is. That's a carbon.
So it's a carbon
It's gotta be
filter.
carbon.
Okay.
It's a filter holder. Carbon filter H. Yeah, that is. Replace carbon filter every 3 months or when they lose effectiveness. So I'm sure that carbon thing is supposed to absorb moisture.
Yeah, so probably
Yeah.
include D. Cool. So yeah,
Done deal.
it was quick. It was easy. Wasn't too bad.
Even for a first timer.
Complete all in one, even
Not
for first
bad.
timers.
For a rookie.
Yep. So boom. Anyway, guys. Until next time, we're gonna be doing what's it called? The car seat install with some padding so you can save your interior so you don't mess up your seat. So yeah. Car guy's dream.
Yep.
Anyway, guys. See you later. First timers, we out.